7th May 1861 to 7th August 1941 was a Bengali poet of India. He was also a philosopher and an artist. He wrote many stories, novels, and dramas, as well as composing music and many songs. Rabindranath Tagore biography, early life, education, works and achievements.
And the nature of love. The night is black and the forest has no end. The million people thread it in a million ways. We have tried to keep in the darkness, but where or with whom? Of that we are unaware. But we have its faith that a lifetime's bliss will appear any minute with a smile upon its lips. Scent, touches, sounds, snatch of songs, brushes, passes, give us delightful shocks. The pretty adventure, the flash of lightning. Humor, I see that the instant I fall in love with. I call that person and cry. With life is blessed. For your sake, such miles have I traversed. All those others who came close and moved off in the darkness. I don't know if they exist or not. Rabindranath Tagore.
Who was a Tagore? Tagore born in India in 1861. He was a genius who could do everything. He was a poet, a playwright, a novelist, a painter, a composer, a philosopher. He is the author and composer of the national authors of both India and Bengal lands. He inspired everyone who came in connected with him, including Mahatma Gandhi. Tranquil evening. I am the inger of a tranquil evening moonlight, and line has curves a sunset of current atman. அமைதியான மாலை நிலவேலி மற்றும் சலசலக்கும் இசைகளின் படங்கள் அமைதியான மற்றும் காதல் சூழ்நிலையை உருவாக்கின்றன.
Setting sun replied the in of a day, and the flying inter of left. மறையும் சூரியன் ஒரு நாளின் முடிவையும் வாழ்க்கையின் விரைவான தன்மையும் குறிக்கிறது.